Have you ever wanted to make money online, but the thought of putting your face out there and being judged by other people just completely terrifies you? Well, I know how you feel because a few years ago, I was desperate to quit my job and I hated talking to people or the thought of putting my face on camera or having to show up and be presentable because at the time I had a huge beard and, frankly, I was a little bit overweight. So I found a completely different approach to making money online. I was able to make my first $10,000 and my first $10 million. And I'm going to show you this step by step in this video. I'm going to show you, even if you're camera shy, self-conscious, ugly, fearful of being judged, all of those things, how you can make just boatloads of money online. I was making up to $500,000 a month doing this method. So back in 2011, I was working a job. I was basically living paycheck to paycheck and I wanted more money is the reality. And I wanted to travel the world and I didn't want to deal with people. And at this point, I'd been trying to make money from affiliate marketing for 3 years without figuring out how to break into this weird little closet shadow industry. And I heard of ClickBank from a number of different people. And I remember going to their website and seeing they showed how much they had paid out to affiliates. And it was like hundreds of millions of dollars. And I was just thinking to myself, like, how the heck are these people making hundreds of millions of dollars? How are they paying out all these affiliates? How are these affiliates making all this money? And I'm making nothing. I went to conferences and I saw people, buying tables at the club for $50,000. Serious, $50,000 on a table and alcohol and some girls to bring up bottles, right? And I thought, how the heck are they making so much money so quickly that they can just blow it like that? And the name ClickBank just kept coming up over and over and over again. So I knew I had to figure it out. And what I would do while I was working my job is after I worked my job and sometimes in between, tasks, I would try my hand at making money from affiliate marketing. Now, the first product I found that I actually had success with was a survival course. It was something like this. So it was some sort of survival course helping you, to defend your family and farm from the latest attack of societal collapse or whatnot. I used this ad to promote that product on this website. So I had my ad somewhere over on the right side over here. It isn't showing that space right now. But my ad showed up right there and it led to this page and folks would have to watch the video and then the video was very convincing and my job was to get people to this page so they could be sold by the video, right? The video is a much better salesperson than me. Now, I found this product because I'd been recommended at a conference. I talked to somebody who's actually in the know and they said, promote this survival course. You should try this. It's working very well. And the reason it converted so well, first off, I was advertising on a Christian website, which is full of kind of conservatives and conspiracy theorists and folks that are generally worried about the end times. The Revelations is an entire book within the Bible, which talks about the end of the world coming. There's literally sects of SECTS. I don't know if that's going to ban me from YouTube, but of Christians that, like the LDS, who believe that we're literally, the end times are so close. It's like, you gotta have a bug out bag and a hole in the mountain that you can go to immediately. So there's a lot of folks thinking that. So I had a really, promoting survival products to a Christian audience. First off, that was right on the money with making, with kind of like that audience product fit, right? It's really congruent there. Now, the next reason why I think this works is because this is not just a Christian website, but it's a video website, okay? And if we notice, these are all, all of these things, it's videos. People are expecting to watch a video on this website. And this website has a lot of people using it. And I was linking to a video. So when people clicked on my ad, I gave them a congruent experience. They're expecting a video, they get a video, right? Users on this specific website are used to that behavior. So I had a couple different matches there. I had the audience match, I had the match of, people are watching videos, I'm giving them a video. And then the last thing was just this smacked. I tested maybe 50 different posts and this one crushed it. And I think it was because you see, first off, it looks like a video. You have the button there, the play button. The second reason is, look at that little girl. Look at that. Look at her. Look at her. She looks so sad. Why is she so sad? That's called an open loop, because you're wondering, why is she sad? So it creates that kind of curiosity, like, I need to figure this out. That little inconsistency in the brain, like, click, like, I'll find out why she's sad by clicking on the freaking ad. Like, you don't really ever, she has nothing to do with the ad, but it doesn't matter because it made me tens of thousands of dollars just doing this. And then the second thing is, you have a lot of, with Christians and conservatives, but especially conservatives, I'd say most Christians are conservatives. And then most conservatives are supportive of things like, the American flag and like an army uniform and stuff like that. You have some of these kind of like tie-ins where it's like, oh, one of us, like this is something, that audience loves. And then also you have a facial expression. You have a really intense facial expression right here, which we're naturally trained as humans to react to facial expressions. It's literally a naturally trained thing. Women start lactating when a baby cries. It's a natural thing. You can't stop it. A baby's crying, you're going to lactate. If you see somebody that's in distress, you're going to kind of like wonder what's going on, and want to help out. And this ad got an insane click-through rate of about 5%, whereas most banner ads get a click-through rate of 1 in 1,000, right? Which is nuts. Now, what I recommend today, if you're looking for products to promote, is you want to generally follow these 3 guidelines right here. So you want to look for products, on using the ClickBank affiliate network, you want to look for products that are over 50 gravity. You also want to find products that are between $25 to $150 CPA, and it's something you know about. Now, if you want to join ClickBank, what you want to do is you actually don't want to click the Start Here button. You want to go to this menu item where it says Affiliate Overview right there. And then you want to scroll down to click Join ClickBank. And you'll get to a form sort of like this. Now, if you try to do this any other way, they're going to try and force you to buy a product, a training course from ClickBank, which you don't need to buy. And frankly, I think it's hogwash because their training programs are made by like a corporation rather than actual like dudes who are just crushing it right now in affiliate marketing. So you want to actually just sign up and get access to the income opportunities. Now, the second step when you're in ClickBank is you want to go to the marketplace and you want to you can search for anything. And what you want to focus on is you want to focus on this gravity score right here. Okay. Now you see this gravity score is 824. That's obviously a great product to promote. And it converts really well. And we can see the page by clicking on it. It's some sort of weight loss supplement. We see that right here. And that's selling very well. It's got before and after pictures, etc. And we can also see that from this product, we will earn a cool $145 commission, okay? This is perfect to promote if, again, maybe something a little bit about weight loss, or you don't mind promoting those sorts of products. We can also see some of the top products over here, and we can scroll down and we can find more products. And this is the amount of money we'll make by selling the Genius Way. We'll make $126 by selling a dental support product. We'll make $169 by promoting a weight loss product. We'll make $139 promoting something that helps your hoo-ha get bigger. We can make $54 by promoting a woodworking product with over 16,000 woodworking plans. I mean, that's a lot of woodworking plans. Now, if you're watching this video, you probably don't work with wood, but guess what? There's millions of people who work with wood and build their own stuff, including me. I built my bookshelf in the back myself. I'm just trying to, I'm trying to do like cool stuff and be handy. And, so I learned some woodworking too. Now, when I'm thinking of finding the right, audience to connect with the right product, I don't think in generalities. I think of specific people as often as I can. I try to activate all of the senses: sight, sound, taste, touch, and smell. I try to think, what is that target customer smelling right now? Where are they sitting? What sort of shoes are they wearing? What sort of magazines are they reading? What type of car do they drive? What are they touching right now? What clothes are they wearing? I try to think of a specific person. And a good way to do that is if you're like, I don't know how to advertise to, maybe you want to advertise to Muslims, and you're like, I have no idea. Go to a temple, look at a couple people, see what they're wearing, see how they're interacting, see how family or non-family oriented they are. What are they reading? What type of cars are they driving? All sorts of stuff to give you just some sort of barometer to get closer to that audience. Now, in my case, growing up Catholic, Christian, whatever, I understood the audience. And I understood that a lot of Christians are also survivalists, or they like that. And the Boy Scouts, I went through the Boy Scouts, which is a kind of pseudo-Christian organization, and all sorts of stuff like that. So I understood the audience already. And it's one of the reasons why I started there. And when I tried promoting other products, that I had no success. Now, how I found, how I created this banner ad was I went crazy. I just tested like 30 different images out. I didn't know what was going to work. And that's the great thing about marketing. Nobody does. I never do. Nobody ever does. You just test things out. You throw things against a wall, but we have a process. We have a system that, I teach people, you can find the link in the description about exactly how to do this with pretty good accuracy. Now, what I'm teaching folks in the AI Marketers Club is I'm teaching folks how you can use AI tools to do all of this stuff now. I learned some photo edit, is the reality, because you had 2 years ago, but now we can do this all with AI. And in this case, I show how you can create, and I know this sounds simple, but on Facebook, there's this little logo image that shows up like right there. You need a logo. You need to create, what is your brand name? What is your website? What is your page name? And I show folks how to actually do all this and set up Facebook page and schedule posts with AI. I show people how they can create Instagram posts with AI. And this is all in, the AI Marketers Club. And we have a really cool, just process of showing people how to actually do the work that you need to do to get posts online, text, video, and image. The reality is it's faster and easier than ever before to make marketing make money if you just know the steps to take. Now, the way I was able to scale this campaign to 2x ROAS, where I was spending $1,000 a day and making back $2,000 every day, was I just cut all of the ads that weren't working and I just increased the budget. That's it. That is it. I just cut the ads that weren't working and I increased the budget up to $1,000 a day, at which point I couldn't spend any more. I actually increased it higher, but I couldn't spend more than that because they didn't have enough ads to serve. The other little trick I did was I added in frequency capping at one time a month, because that would just limit my exposure and increase my ROI. It's all, and I teach a lot of little tricks like that in my courses, but we're not going to go into too much advanced ads, right? The reality is these AI tools and AI in general is just automating and taking so much of the work off of our plates of making money online. It's simply about knowing what to do. Facebook started optimizing your ad campaigns years ago using AI and using AI for targeting, as long as you set up the pixels. So now it's all, you don't even need to know much about the interfaces. You just need to launch an ad and you're going to make money, and it's going to make you more money over time because Facebook will optimize. We also have great tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Runway ML, Sora, etc., that are just creating mind-blowing videos and images and scripts for us to work off. So that's how I made my first $10,000 online without showing my face. I was finding the right affiliate products to promote, advertising it to the perfect audience, and optimizing my campaigns to get a maximum profit. Now, if you want to follow the exact same steps I took, and I've created a step-by-step playbook that'll walk you through the entire process. So I'll show you how to find affiliate products, setting up automated marketing that works, right where you sleep. Now, the first step is click the link below in the description to get instant access to my AI course, which is the AI Marketers Club. I've refined the system over decades, making it easier and easier and easier for beginners like you to implement, even if you have zero marketing or technical experience. After you sign up for the AI Marketers Club, you'll be given an option to book a call with my team for one-on-one mentorship. And in my one-on-one mentorship, which we call the AI Marketing Mentorship, it's where I'll actually show you how we spend money on ads to make massive profits. But keep in mind, you have to have at least a few $1,000s to be a part of my mentorship, because you need a few $1,000s to spend on advertising to learn the ropes. So again, click that link in the description. I'll show you exactly how to get started. Thanks for watching. This is John Crestani. Like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.